Hello friend, welcome to Entry App. Guys, as you know that your IBPS PO 2021 mains examination scheduled on 22 January 2022 and your IBPS clerk 2021 mains examination scheduled on 25th January 2022. These are the two dates that I have already told you in my previous video before the date announced कि your IBPS PO and clerk will be conducted on these two dates and the examination on these two dates. But guys, the thing is that कि will IBPS PO and clerk 2021 mains examination be postponed or not? This is what students are asking. And why we are curious about the postponement of the exams? Because guys, due to the COVID-19, you know that ki COVID-19 condition in our country, Omicron cases are also being increased day by day with a very rapid pace. And now guys, you know, around 2.5 lakh and 2.38 lakh cases we are getting on daily basis. So in this condition, it is possible to conduct the IBPS PO and clerk 2020 mains examination. Guys, this is not about the postponement only. This is about the lives of the student. You know what? Ki I was for a complete day, I was out for some personal work, and guys, I got some COVID symptoms. And you can see ki I am not uploading my videos. So guys, here the concern is the lives of the student, and student will meet with each other. They will go to the exam center and then they will go to home, so they can also infect their parents or their family members. So guys, this is the main concern that we are raising. That is why every YouTuber and most of the YouTubers are saying that yes, in this condition, examination must be postponed. But guys, this is IBPS का कुछ नहीं पता. But this may happen कि IBPS will conduct IBPS PO and clerk 2021 mains examination on time. These are the stipulated dates. But guys, this is IBPS again. इसका कुछ नहीं पता कि before 2 days you will get the notice on ibps.in website कि your examination will be postponed for the further notice. So this may also happen guys. So अभी के लिए मैं क्या कहूँगा, as of now keep doing your preparation, nothing else, because maximum chances कि IBPS will conduct the examination. Although I am also raising my request, I am also requesting to IBPS. I know कि IBPS not going to listen anyone, but nevertheless I am raising my request कि IBPS to please don't conduct this examination in this condition. Yeah, if the COVID cases will be around 50 or 60,000 on daily basis, then this is possible to conduct this examination. But guys, in this situation where we are having the cases about 2 lakhs, so this is not possible to conduct the examination. So don't make it possible. So let's see what is going to happen. ऐसा हो सकता है कि भाई 2 दिन पहले IBPS will release a notice कि भाई अब एग्जाम नहीं होगा, और फिर 1 दिन पहले वापस से एडमिट कार्ड निकाल दे कि भाई एग्जाम होगा. ठीक है. सो आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू कीप डूइंग योर प्रिपरेशन, नथिंग एल्स. एनी solid update regarding the postponement comes or regarding any of these 2 exams comes, I will definitely get back to you. Thank you very much guys.